Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by narrowing scope. Pick one core area such as help desk, web development, or system administration so you avoid scattered learning. Learn the fundamentals, basic networking, Linux commands, and Git, because employers expect practical skills, not just theory. Enroll in one short course and pursue a single entry-level certification like CompTIA, a plus to validate knowledge. Once you have this foundation, make sure to set up a simple home lab and a GitHub portfolio so you can show real work immediately. You now focus on hands-on execution. Build 2 small, complete projects and publish them on GitHub so recruiters can evaluate your abilities. Volunteer for nonprofit tech tasks or take micro freelance gigs to convert theory into resume-ready experience because practical examples beat claims. Practice common interview scenarios and troubleshooting steps and document your fixes. This trains you to explain decisions clearly. Once done, make sure to update your LinkedIn and portfolio with concise bullet points describing your measurable impact and tools used. You finish by focusing on application volume and quality. Apply to about 20 targeted roles each week, tailoring your resume and cover note to match keywords and responsibilities so automated filters pass. Prepare star format answers and a short live demo you can run in interviews to prove competence. After interviews, follow up and request feedback. If you face repeated rejections, identify skill gaps and reskill quickly. Troubleshooting tip: if you get silence, audit your resume for keywords and ask mentors to review one application with you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.